Hey guys, it's ipsylar. Welcome back to the Fortnite banner template. So as you guys know, every season I make a season themed banner template, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can edit the Fortnite season 8 banner. So the download link for this is in the description below, and also before you open up the template, make sure you install the fonts, which are also listed in the description. So before we get started with this video, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe to my channel if you're new and you'd like to see more of these videos. So let's get started with this video.